Well, hello there, folks. Hi, this is John Montez with the Monty TX YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you're having a swell day in your part of the world. Hey, I'd like to show you something here in just a moment here. Let's get my cards, a little shuffle, and get my cut there. I'm just going to deal some cards into 4 stacks here. Maybe a couple there. Couple here, maybe 3. Some singles here. It doesn't matter where these go. Be some here, some over there. Maybe a couple here. Yeah. Well, I'll just straighten up these stacks here, these packets, 4 packets. And let me roll the dice here. This will be packet 1, 2, 3, and 4. I rolled a 2, so we'll pull this one down. Rolled a 3, so we'll shuffle 2 and 3 together. And then we'll shuffle the other 2 packets together. And then we'll shuffle them all and combine them together once again. And alright, and now I'm going to just use some intuition, separate what I think are red cards or black cards. So maybe red, black, I don't know, black, red, black. Alright, so that's my intuition. I believe I've separated those, but I'll shuffle them all together. We'll bring them all back together again. And the cards they're interleaved. Okay. Now I'll tell you what, let me just put some here in this pile, some in the middle. The rest here, straighten those out a little bit. Now what if I were to tell you there's exactly 20 cards here? That might not impress you too much, because I could just be counting the cards, right? So what, there's 20 cards, you counted them. But what if I could tell you there's exactly 10 black cards, 10 red cards? Let's see. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But that's not the most impressive and incredible part. The most impressive part is, look over here. All these are separated, perfectly separated. All the black cards here, all the other red cards here. So that's pretty amazing, I would think. That's out of this universe, kind of with an avalanche drops of cards. Hope you like it. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.